Global human resource management refers to the management of human resources in a global context. In a global context, the HRM function is responsible for ensuring that the organization has the right people in the right place at the right time to achieve its strategic objectives. This includes hiring, training, and managing employees from different countries and cultures. Global differences in hiring and human resource management. Global organizations face significant differences in hiring and human resource management practices across different countries and cultures. These differences can be attributed to factors such as labor laws, cultural norms, and business practices. Ethnocentric approach. One staffing flavor that global organizations can use is the ethnocentric approach. This approach involves filling key positions with parent company nationals. The primary advantage of this approach is that it helps to maintain a unified corporate culture and fill skill gaps. However, it has some significant cons, such as resentment in the host country and cultural myopia. Cultural myopia occurs when people perceive things their way as the only way, which can lead to a condescending view from the parent company towards employees in the host country. The ethnocentric approach has worked for Japanese firms like Panasonic, Sony, and Hitachi, which like to keep things homogeneous. However, it failed Walmart in Germany and South Korea, with hubris playing a significant role. The ability to communicate with customers remains crucial for expats with Japanese language skills. Polycentric approach to business management. Another approach to global human resource management is the polycentric approach. This approach involves requiring host country nationals to manage subsidiaries while parent company nationals occupy key positions at corporate headquarters. The managers who are managing things in the Philippines, for instance, are Filipino employees. They are the local managers, and upper senior managers just stay in India while receiving reports from them occasionally. This approach is less expensive to implement than the ethnocentric approach and reduces the risk of cultural myopia. The polycentric approach also reduces the risk of cultural myopia, which could be detrimental to business success. Local managers are typically more effective than foreign managers because they have a better understanding of the local culture and can communicate more effectively with local employees and customers. However, one of the cons of this approach is that it may produce resentment if local managers have low career mobility. Career options are limited in this approach since once you're the manager of a subsidiary in a host country, that's as high as your career can go, leaving you feeling isolated. Geocentric approach. A geocentric approach to management is where every nationality from around the world is given the opportunity to work for the company. Human resources are utilized to find the best talent all over the world and place them in countries where they are most needed. This approach builds a strong culture and is not myopic. However, there are some cons to a geocentric approach. Immigration laws can be complicated, and this approach can be massively expensive. Moving employees from one part of the world to another and setting them up is quite costly. However, this approach can work if the company has the resources to support it. Career mobility and development approaches. Companies may also use a combination of career development approaches based on their specific needs and available resources. Some examples include cross-functional training programs, leadership development programs, and international assignments. For example, a company may offer a leadership development program for its high-potential employees, which includes training and development opportunities, mentoring, and coaching. This program can help employees develop the skills and experience needed to advance to more senior positions within the organization. Another example is international assignments, where employees are given the opportunity to work in different countries and cultures. These assignments can help employees develop a global mindset and cross-cultural communication skills, which are essential for success in a global business environment. However, implementing a geocentric approach can be challenging for companies with limited resources, as it involves navigating complex immigration laws and incurring significant expenses in relocating employees. Nonetheless, it is a viable option for companies that prioritize diversity and have the resources to support it. Career mobility and development approaches. Companies may also use a combination of career development approaches based on their specific needs and available resources. One of the most common approaches is the development of a comprehensive career mobility program. Such a program provides employees with the opportunity to advance their careers within the organization and gain valuable experience across different functions and geographies. Career mobility programs can take many forms, from formal job rotations to temporary assignments, and can be tailored to the needs of individual employees and departments. They can also help companies to identify high-potential employees and develop a pipeline of future leaders. Another approach to career development is the implementation of training and development programs. These programs help employees to acquire new skills and knowledge and can range from basic training in specific job functions to leadership development programs. Choosing the right approach. Choosing the right approach to global human resource management depends on a company's structure, goals, and available resources. While the ethnocentric approach may work for some companies, it may not be suitable for others, especially those that operate in diverse markets. For example, Walmart's ethnocentric approach failed in Germany and South Korea due to cultural differences and a lack of understanding of local markets. In contrast, companies like IBM have successfully adopted a geocentric approach, which has enabled them to build a strong global culture and attract top talent from around the world. Conclusion. In conclusion, global human resource management is a critical aspect of managing a multinational organization. The three staffing approaches, ethnocentric, polycentric, and geocentric, each have their pros and cons, and companies must carefully evaluate their options and choose the approach that best suits their needs. Moreover, implementing effective career development programs is essential to attract, retain, and develop top talent across different geographies and functions. By providing employees with opportunities to advance their careers and acquire new skills, companies can build a strong workforce that is equipped to navigate the complexities of global business. Ultimately, the key to success in global human resource management is to understand the cultural and business differences across different markets and adapt to them. By doing so, companies can build strong global teams that can drive growth and innovation in today's interconnected world. So this is all for today. Hope you liked the video, and if you liked the video, please do like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also, suggest the next topic on which you want the next video. Thank you.